Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from your Trust wallet in 2025. If you're holding onto USDT and ready to move it to another wallet or exchange, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Trust Wallet is one of the most secure and user-friendly apps out there, and with crypto evolving fast, we'll cover the latest tips to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. Open the app and head to the Wallets section. Here, you'll see all your assets listed. Find USDT and tap on it to open your balance. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button, usually at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll need the recipient's wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose the right network like Tron or Ethereum for USDT. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Trust Wallet often includes a security feature like a PIN or biometric authentication. Use it to protect your transaction. Once you're good, tap confirm, and your USDT will be on its way. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. One quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control first, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.